Most people ask, why is my sleep bad? But it's a question with many possible answers. Poor sleep doesn't have a single root cause. The Somnolinc sleep headband can identify 6 distinct sleep problems, and every troubled sleeper has at least one of them. Some people don't sleep long enough. Some sleep enough but rarely reach deep sleep. Others never dream. Many wake repeatedly throughout the night. Some lie awake with a mind that won't quiet down. And some simply can't find a consistent rhythm. So the question shouldn't be, why is my sleep bad? But which of these problems affects my sleep? That's exactly why we built the Somnolinc AI Coach. While you sleep, our headband collects data across 3 dimensions. EEG reads your brain, a motion sensor captures the movement of your body, light and sound sensors detect disturbances in your bedroom. We call it the 3B tracking system: brain, body, bedroom. Together, these data streams feed your personal AI sleep coach. After just a few nights, it identifies your specific sleep challenges and builds a plan tailored to your needs. Here's what that looks like in practice. Say your result shows you fall asleep without trouble, but wake again and again throughout the night. That's classic broken sleep. Your coach gets to work. It cross-references your motion data with your sound recordings and spots a pattern. Every time you woke up last Tuesday at 2:14, 3:40 and 4:55, the sound level in your room had spiked. A honking car, a coughing partner, a dog barking outside. Sounds loud enough to wake you, but too brief to remember in the morning. So your coach makes a simple suggestion. Try earplugs for 1 week. It reminds you at bedtime, it checks in gently each morning, and after a few nights it compares what changed. Are you waking up less? Has your deep sleep returned? Do you feel rested? If yes, great. You found your answer. If not, that's also valuable because you know what doesn't work. Your coach makes another evidence-based suggestion and you try something new. This is a continuous process, step by step, until your sleep finds its balance.